Domestic manufacturing is important to me personally. It's because that's how I've grown up and made my whole living in that industry. I've seen these kids who came out of high school, some out of early college education, and some with not much education at all, be able to grow up, build families, have kids, have great vacations, build beautiful homes, have a couple cars, and really have a great living. And they've communicated that back to me. I've watched them grow up. Some of whom have their kids now working in the plant. So you see that sustainability, you see what it's done to the community. The communities use those dollars to fix their roads, to put community centers in. We've given back to those communities. There's soccer fields, there's baseball fields, there's community centers, an expansion of the ice rink. And it makes you feel proud to know that what you've done along with those teammates that have grown up in that community have helped contribute to this. So, it's not just about making money there. It's a real sense of pride and an accomplishment for everybody in that community, and they feel safe and secure.